Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can add more than one transition to one clip in the CapCut apps. So for instance, I'm going to select video to the track to one video. So basically you can add the one transition to one clip, but you can add more with this trick. You are just going to split the clip into some part and you can add the transition, just drag, or you can click add to the track. So you can add more than one transition. Okay, and select another transition. So that's it. Okay, that's it, how you can add more than one transition to one clip with this trick. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.